Welcome to Dayla's class, brought to you by Alondra, Sofia, and Carmen.
Today, you will be building a volleyball machine. For today's activity, you will need to watch the video that is linked in the description. Your main goal is to build two machines that can launch a ball back and forth over a net like in the game of volleyball. For your machines, you will only be allowed to use things that are included in the official materials list, which includes, for construction, 2 pieces of cardboard, 10 plastic or paper cups, 20 popsicle sticks, 10 wooden pencils, 20 pieces of paper, 10 rubber bands, and a roll of tape. For your tools and testing materials, you may also use paper and pencil for sketching your design, scissors for cutting, 2 sheets of paper for making your net, tape for holding the net to the surface, a ruler for measuring, and a ball. Before you start building anything, you need to start by designing. So start sketching out your ideas. What do you want your machine to do? How do you want your machine to work? And most importantly, how do you make it work only using the materials available to you? Make sure that your design also follows the guidelines that were discussed in the video in the description. And while you can create 2 different machines, I'm just going to create the same machine for both of my sides of my volleyball court. For my design, I'm going with something simple. I just need something that will be able to throw the ball across the court. I will need something to catch the ball, and something that will dispense it back into the same place where it's going to throw it again. I start by taking my cardboard and cutting it into 3 separate pieces. 2 of the pieces will be used as the platform where my ball will be launched from, and the other piece will be used for anything I might need to use my cardboard for. To start building the base of what's going to launch my ball to the other side, I get 4 popsicle sticks. I tape them side by side, and then once they are taped together, I get my glue gun, put glue on one of the edges, and then glue it to my cardboard. I will then repeat the same steps and add another stack of popsicle sticks on top of my other popsicle sticks that I just glued down. Now that my popsicle sticks are in place, I will get 2 pencils and put them on top, almost like a lever. But first, I need to tape my pencils together. Next, I need something that will hold my ball in place before it's launched. For this, I will be using 2 plastic cups that I will be cutting around the halfway mark. After I'm done cutting my cup, I will take a small piece of cardboard and I will attach that to the bottom part of my cup. I then take my glue gun and add a small dab of glue to the bottom part of the cardboard and attach that to my pencils that I had previously taped. Then I took a few rubber bands and put them around my popsicle sticks. I then took my pencil and put it right through there. This will create my lever that will be launching the ball. Up next, I took what was left over of the cup that I cut out earlier. I cut off the rim, I made a slit on the side, and then I turned it into a funnel. I just made sure it was big enough for my ball to go through. Since I'm done building the part that's going to be launching my ball, I'm now going to start building the part that's going to be catching the ball. I start by building my base using 3 popsicle sticks. I use my glue gun to attach them to the piece of cardboard. I then take 2 more popsicle sticks, and since I don't need the rounded edges, I cut them off of both sides. Once I'm done, I attach them onto my other popsicle sticks, and these ones will be standing upward. Moving on, I will now need my cardboard, and I will need to cut a rectangular piece that will fit in between both of my popsicle sticks I just glued. I glue my piece of cardboard in between my popsicle sticks at an angle. I then went ahead, grabbed 2 pencils and the funnel. I attached the pencils to the funnel, and then now I am attaching the funnel to the cardboard. When the ball gets caught, it will go into the funnel, and the funnel will redirect it into the cup, so then it's ready to launch again. To make sure that my ball goes directly into my funnel, I will be adding paper all around. I will be using 2 sheets in the back, 1 on each side, and I will also be adding a strip of paper in the front. For your net, you only need 2 pieces of paper folded in hamburger style, and then you need to tape that onto your surface. Make sure that the opening in the bottom part is around 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Once you're done setting up your net, you can start testing your volleyball machines. Make sure that neither of your volleyball machines are touching the net or are using any space above the net. If needed to, make some adjustments, but if you are happy with your design and the way that it turned out, start your challenge. See how many times you can throw the ball back and forth without it touching the ground in a span of 5 minutes. Make sure that you watch the video linked in the description that will have all the rules that you need to follow. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comment section and I will answer them. And as always, thank you for joining me today.